What's up, guys? This video is going to be very important. I've been nailing it and I just love it and I enjoy it. Okay, yeah, I don't like that Bitcoin is going down. My altcoins are going down as well, but I'm gonna still show you guys that my portfolio is still the same, almost a 90% altcoins, no Bitcoin, and 10% cash for my trading and just kind of learning, just messing around. So this is my portfolio for now, and the reason I already explained it in the previous video why I'm not owning any Bitcoin. Okay, but I'm gonna start with Bitcoin dominance, guys. I gave you exactly the reason that there is still a chance that Bitcoin is gonna keep still going up. Not there is a chance, it's gonna go up because it's the leader and it's gonna get to 61%. And you guys see that I exactly told you guys that Bitcoin does not have to go up in price to raise in dominance as well. Bitcoin can drop, like I have been showing you guys. It can drop, but altcoins can melt even faster and worse and even more than Bitcoin against Bitcoin. So that's why you guys see that BTC dominance is still rising. Okay, so a lot of people kind of get confused on that, but as I said, I'm still expecting BTC dominance to keep going up to 61%, where I see the rejection, where I see the real rejection, where I have been pointing this. I'm going to still keep them there. I have been nailing on the Telegram group. If you guys haven't joined, go ahead and join that. I show you guys a lot of updates, almost every movement I see. I'm not going to keep showing you everything, but a lot of information are useful in there. So I want you guys to pay attention. It's going to be very important. By the way, I'm going to cover Sui, Dogecoin, Sui, and Kaspa. And so you guys, if you guys are interested, wait for later and just watch the whole thing. You're gonna get there, and I'm gonna talk about the technical analysis for all four of those coins. Okay, so exactly as I'm just reminding you, I called this bottom. We kept going up. I have this pattern still leaving this in here. I said, but we have gotten to a point in Telegram group. In my last call, I said that there's a good chance that we go to 59,300 ish. Okay, but let's see if we're gonna pass $60,000, and we exactly hit $60,000 and started going higher. But is that the bottom? I have to say no. Okay, because you can see that it's still USDT dominance. I'm reminding you, for the new viewers, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is all about facts and all about unbiased opinions and all about technical analysis and good information. 8 years of experience. I'm just feeding you with all of that. Okay, so this is the reason I said that there is a still good reason that we're going to keep going higher. We got that support around this white line again. I said that this one, I said there's a good chance. That's why I'm leaving these lines in here so you guys can see it. I'm going to get rid of this blue one. You guys see that we had this 4-hour chart, this support level. You guys see that red line, red candle. We got pulled back to it and started going higher. Same deal again, because we closed above that. I said that there is a good chance that we're not gonna pass above 62,100 ish. It went to almost $300, but of course you're not gonna really care about that $200. I guess people's expectation is gonna keep going higher. So if I mess up on one of my calls, they're gonna be like, "Oh, you did not call it right." But as I'm just saying in here, I'm gonna be wrong sometimes. So do not expect too much from me, okay? I'm a human too. Okay, so exactly we got that support, and the reason we got that support, if you're wondering, in 1-hour chart, you guys can see that there's a small rally, base rally. This small, I call them ties. That tie got that support, the liquidity, and started pushing it higher. But as I said, the reason because we have already lost this level of used to be a support line, and now it is a resistance. I'm going to put it back on here. You guys see that it broke very strong and pulled back to it a couple of times. Again, I said that there's a good chance we're going to go. You guys can join Telegram group. All of those screenshots are there. All of those explanations are there. So there's a good chance still I'm saying that because I trust USDT dominance more than Bitcoin's own price action. There's a good chance that we go up to 5.89%. I'm going to put it back up down here. Okay, so there's a good chance we go for another little bit higher, or even down up to this level, and get that rejection around 5.92-ish%. That will probably get us down to around 59, 700, 500, 300-ish. It depends on how much of that USDT is getting out of altcoins and Bitcoin, because USDT, all the money from Bitcoin and altcoins are in here, but Bitcoin's price is just about that. So there's a little bit of difference. That's why, but you guys see that how identical they are going, very, very looking almost the same. Okay, the opposite of this. So there's a good chance we still go higher for BTC and USDT dominance. I will bring back down BTC. I'm gonna get rid of this one, and exactly my call on $60,000 already hit, and there was a good buyout for it. So you pushed it almost $1,000 higher, but you guys see that it is pulling back again. I'm gonna show you guys that there is still a good chance that we go down here. I'm gonna show you in 4-hour chart. Okay, the 4-hour chart shows, okay, so you guys see that, you see this green closed candle around this area push the price higher a couple of times. Okay, but as I said, I'm expecting to go back down to almost 59,500-ish, around this area. Okay, it can be a little bit of differences in there, but there is a good chance we still go back down, and I'm expecting in daily candle, I'm going to show you guys in daily candle, to go 3 waves down, as what Elliott wave theory says. Okay, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna get rid of that and that. So there is a good chance we get a support around this area, anywhere around this area. And you guys see that I already put this line because we had a lot of rejections around here. We closed we went higher, we went back down, we had trouble. So anytime Bitcoin, the price goes and meets from the top this time, that's gonna work as a support supposedly. And USDT kind of supports that idea, because we see that there is a rejection area around this level. So we can go back down, and I'm going to show you guys with a path. It's not going to be exactly perfect, but there is a good chance that we go kind of up like this and then go for lower. And I'm going to put another one in here because you guys see that this level can stop Bitcoin again. I'm going to just use this line, go back down in here, because you see that there's a lot of support and rejection area again. Support line pushed the price higher, support, we broke below, we were just going sideways, it started going higher, we got that support again. So there's a good chance that we go up, get that liquidity again. A lot of longs, shorts are gonna get liquidated. The shorts that were open kind of late, so their liquidation price is around this area. So there's a good chance, I'm not sure how high we can go. We can look at it in here. We can go back down to this level. Okay, so almost 0.20% loss for USDT. Go back down and start going higher. Okay, eventually I'm waiting for higher percentage for USDT. Okay, but I'm gonna update you guys later as I see more evidence and see more price action and movements. Okay, that's why you guys need to subscribe. This channel is all facts in here. Okay, and please like the video. I want to welcome 4 new members that we got, and I want you guys to see that how much I appreciate you guys and answer every single comment that you guys have. Beautiful comments. 158 likes for 1,130, more than 10%, almost 15% likes is a very good milestone, and this channel is keeping on growing. And thank you so much. I want this number to get to 100,000 subscribers. I want a huge team. I want a huge community. I want to help every single one of you to succeed in this market, because it is hard these days to live in this world. Okay, some of you guys are already fine. You have a lot of money, but a lot of people are just desperately looking to change their lives basically in this world. And so I really hope that I can help you guys. I hope the YouTube algorithm with your likes, with your shares, is going to go to more people, so more people can see all these directions that I'm showing you guys exactly. And as I said, there's a good chance that I'm going to have mistakes on the way, but I will do my best. Whatever decisions I make for myself, I share it with you guys. None of them are financial advice, okay? So this is what I'm looking at right now. I will update you guys more on that. Let's go to the altcoins that I'm gonna do technical analysis on. Okay, Sui has been just kicking butt. Like it's really going good, okay? But you guys see that it has gotten to a very hard resistant level where we had a couple of rejections before, okay? I'm gonna make a line here, and this is the rejection, the first rejection area I am seeing where we are right now for Sui. Okay, this one was kind of a fake out because you guys see that this point, and this point was a huge resistance level. Okay, and if I want to show you guys what price level, I mean, it kind of makes sense that Sui can be sold around $2. A lot of people who have bought in here, they're going to take profit, okay? But Sui is just doing great. I'm gonna give a lot of good gems, some exchange tokens that are gonna probably grow a lot later. So if you guys are interested to see what we're buying, go ahead and join. It's only $10, okay? It's almost nothing. The money you will make later from those coins is just gonna make up for, you know, it's just basically, literally is for free, okay? Anyway, so this because of this, what I'm seeing, I'm expecting a little bit of rejection. We can have a little bit of retracement. If you want to look at, if we consider this as top, we need to wait for a wave to shape up. We see that it's still Sui is going up, okay? We need to see if we get a little bit of round shape, like this kind of a, you know, wave shape. We can put our Fibonacci retracement in here from this low, okay, up to this high. Okay, so you guys see that 0.23 has been holding it, which is good. Okay, we can go down to almost 50%. That will take us down to 1.20. Do I say that we're gonna go there? No, I absolutely don't. Okay, the next level will be 0.38, will be almost 1.37. But Sui is a really good project, and if I want to show you guys a good support level that I think that is gonna hold Sui a lot because of this point. And I'm going to show you guys what circle, this one, and I'm going to bring it here, and this one. So it is kind of working like a good second floor for Sui. Okay, so Sui can go back down, get a little bit of support, and start going higher. Okay, that's a possibility. Now let's go to Dogecoin. Look, guys, oh, that was funny. Okay, so Dogecoin, guys, there's a good possibility that we're gonna go back down here. Okay, I have to say it. I know a lot of people do not like when I say bearish stuff, but let's just consider all of these lines. I don't really look at sharp lines like this that much, but let's just do it for fun, okay? Because it's too sharp of a line, okay? So now, if you guys see that we are breaking below, which is totally bearish for Dogecoin. This level of support, we've got support almost 2 times. The main one was from this one, almost broke below, okay? So there is a good chance if BTC goes a lot lower, the next level of support can be still this almost 8.5 cents, almost 1.5 cents lower. It can go down, but if it doesn't hold, the next level of support is going to be a lot lower, because this is the really good support level I'm looking at, okay? Almost 6 cents. Okay, but so far Dogecoin is doing good. It has a really good and really, really good community. There are strong community. You guys see that it has been holding around 5 cents and above. Okay, so 5 cents is a really good support area. Even if we go back down here, we can start going higher. It depends all about Bitcoin and market in general. Okay, now, so I'm gonna talk about Kaspa. All right, I'm gonna be honest here. I had actually showed you guys before about this technical analysis, and I'm glad my lines are still here. Okay, I remember that I said that this level of resistance can bother Kaspa a lot. Okay, these price labels have moved a little bit, but the lines are there still. You guys see exactly around these levels, we have been going up and down a lot, especially after August. We have been going up and down within these two white lines, okay? So between almost 14 cents to 17, 18 cents, Kaspa has been ranging, which is not a bad thing, honestly, because Kaspa has given a lot of returns to its investors. But there's a good chance, guys. There's a good chance we go back down to 12 cents. Okay, if BTC just goes lower, but this level, like this level, you see that rally, base rally. This level is a good tie, as I call it usually. This level right there, right here, around 13-14 cents is a good level. As I said, unless BTC just keeps going lower, there's a good chance we go back down to 12 cents. But Kaspa is just doing great. Congratulations to whoever have bought it. I'm not interested. I'm not buying any of these coins because the coins, as I said, I explained it again, bigger market cap coins are just for bigger investors, not for somebody who has only a couple of $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. Because it's gonna probably give you 2, 3, 4, 5x, but does that make you rich? You need to ask that question from yourself, okay? And I'm not gonna really care about whoever comes and says, "Oh, Kaspa is gonna be $1,000 later." No, you're gonna be like XRP if you're thinking that way. Okay, XRP fans are waiting to go about $1 first, but they're just looking at bigger numbers. I'm not against the XRP guys. Okay, but I need to really be honest. Okay, this is another update for you guys. Please like the video right now. Share this video with your friends, whoever are fan of any of those coins that I just covered, and we have been killing it on calling all those movements for BTC because I am using USDT as my cheat sheet, basically. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.